Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is another piece that my wife picked up. I guess it's one of another Harry Potter shirt. Let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. Hopefully there's no invoice. I feel like there's the invoice. So it says New Way 837 Woman V-neck T-shirt. Harry Potter always hollows lightning bolt extra large charcoal. $11.83. No, 93. And then so there is no tax or shipping fee. Let's go and check it out. So I guess this is a custom made, I guess. So 11 something. Not sure is it vinyl or is it painted on. It's kind of like a vinyl because it's so smooth. And there, along the edges, you don't see any like blurriness. So this one is pretty soft, and this is the ideal label. Next level. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and then I'll see you guys on the next video guys, like always. Peace.